first session of the VocBench training is about how to access the application, how to open a project, how to access the data, and how to set the preferences. VocBench is accessible via the link vocbench.op.europa.eu that you can just simply access using your browser. Please use Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. For logging in, you can use your EU login account. So just click on the login button and add your credentials, your normal EU login, and then you will have access to the projects that you're assigned to. You can select the project from the top left under the current project button, and then it's going to open the list of projects that you have access to. Just select the project that you would like to and click on access in the button. You can access the data with the first button on the left, data. And here by default, you will see all of the concepts in all the available languages that the concept has the labels in. If you have multilingual data, it makes the display quite uncomfortable and unreadable, but this is a simple setting that you can apply in the preferences. Click on your avatar on the top right and select the Preferences button. And here on the left of the screen, you can see all of the available languages. So here you can select the rendering of the languages. If you click, for example, on English, you will see the concepts only in English. Or if you would like to display in 2 or multiple languages, you can also select another language, and you can also change the order of the rendering. So for example, here you can select that first you would like to display in German and after in English, or on the reverse. You don't have to press anything, just go back to data and refresh the screen, not with the browser, but with the update button, which is on the top right, is the second button. So click on refresh, and here you will see the languages in the order that you selected. And from now on, you can navigate through the data and also display all the properties, but this is going to be the topic of the next session.